Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make a healthy Fiesta Macaroni salad. Okay, for our fantastic Fiesta Macaroni salad, we're going to use red peppers, cucumber, red onions. This is our nice and organic mayonnaise, spicy chipotle. This is also lemon pepper. Then of course a macaroni, which is very healthy, coriander leaves, jalapeno chopped fine, and garlic. Now these three are optional, and let's start making the salad. Okay, so we're gonna start. Let's put all our onion in this. Our cucumbers, they're nice and chilled. Peppers. Now to this, I'm going to add all this garlic, little of this to give it a zing, and then coriander leaves, generous amount of that. To this now I'm going to add my mayonnaise, 2, 3, 4 of mayonnaise. Okay, so just generous amount of this lemon pepper, and just mix it properly, being careful as to not breaking the macaroni. Okay, so this is mixed really well. Add some more coriander leaves to your taste. I like it a good coriander. And chill it for maybe half an hour or so, and voila, then enjoy your fantastic Fiesta Macaroni salad. So colorful and beautiful and tasty. Okay, so we're gonna plate our Fiesta Macaroni salad. Looks yummy and tasty too. Put generous amount of it with the onions and the peppers also, so you can get the crunch of it. And top it off with little nice parsley. Fresh parsley is always good. It blends well in it. Now if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel, and visit our blog, the topperchef.com blog. Happy cooking!